Hey there, this is Josh, and in this video I'm taking 93rd Lane out of Wyandotte County Lake Park to K5 into Leavenworth. If you haven't seen the Wyandotte County Lake Park video yet, I'll link to it in the description below. Now this ride into Leavenworth is a natural extension of the park ride because of how windy K5 is, and it's practically non-stop. Better yet, you can go a lot faster and there aren't any pedestrians to watch out for. Alright, I'm going to back away from the mic now so you can enjoy watching this ride set to the soothing sounds of attribution-free YouTube music. And now that we're coming to the end of K5, you can continue on to 4th Street to find plenty of places to take a break or continue on to another scenic ride in Kansas City. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And while you're at it, follow my photography on Instagram at Shifter and on Facebook at Shifter Photography. I'll catch you on the next video.